My name is Hitler. Me and the Nazi Party have risen to power here in Germany. But this all started a long time ago. Back in the day. I was gonna kill that man. It was a plan of mine for a while. But I missed. They took me away. Him and his henchmen carried me away. He put his dog down and they dragged me to a life in jail. I was in there for a while. I wrote a book. Those were the good days. Actually, they were horrible. I was in jail. Me and my mustache grew together until the day they finally let me go.
Hitler, your time is up!
Okay.
The mustache I had once loved. It was time to let go. The mustache had always been there with me, always sitting right there on the front of my face. It always kept me warm when the nights were dark. Always kept me company when I was alone. But it was time to begin a new chapter in my life. A chapter with a new mustache. Not the same mustache I had all this lifetime, but a new one. A new mustache, because I was a new Hitler. I would have a mustache only a dictator could wear. It would be then known as the Hitler mustache. And 20 years later, kids would start drawing them on other kids, randomly. Now it was on like Donkey Kong.
Here, Stalin!
It's about damn time!
Herr Stalin, as you may know, it is very important for my country to have control over Poland. However, resistance from your country would make it almost impossible for my country to do so. I am proposing that we sign a non-aggression pact, as well as supplying each other with resources from our own countries.
Sounds good, but Mother Russia is only to be needing resource goods.
Okay then. My country will supply yours with manufactured goods, and yours will supply mine with raw materials, and we will split Poland in half.
Yeah.
Poland has been asking for it. It's time we blitzkrieg them.
Look, it's Poland!
After the initial attack on Poland, began a 7-month stalemate between France and Germany.
The French will not give up. Neither will the Germans.
We did nothing for 7 months.
How you do? Remember that thing, what's it called, how you say, North Africa, yeah. Hey, how do you say, well, Egypt, well, we not do so good in Egypt, and we was wondering, hey man, can we have your help, Rigatoni? Hey, Babri, hey, Rigatoni, how you say, thank you, Rigatoni, bye.
God damn it, Mussolini. I guess I can send Rommel or something.
Rommel, you're a very good general. I need you to go to Africa, so we can expand our empire.
Oh, do it! Bratwurst and ugly women. We'll send a tanks corps and name it Africa Corps to Egypt to help Mussolini get rid of the British.
Let's do it, Captain.
So Rommel sent his troops. He sent the African Corps all the way to Africa to begin the attack on Britain. The British were there, standing powerful near Egypt and the pyramids, but we drove them back. As the African Corps went in, we pushed the British back, and one by one, they fell. And one by one, they ran. Now that the British had been driven back, it was time to celebrate. happy for the next couple of months, but then came word that the British had taken back what we took from them. And as usual, I got mad. And I do what I did when I get mad. I was already angry, but next came word that our troops in Britain were failing horribly, and I kept getting mad. Now, more word came in that the people in Operation Barbarossa were also failing and were running low on supplies and were meeting the winter of Russia. It already seemed like it was all coming to an end, and then the Allies met to plan my fate.
Die! Die! Die!
Mussolini, how you do? Anyway, I was wondering, you know, it's in like Egypt and whatnot.
Bratwurst and beer.
Right.
Send
Gonna take one step.
bratwurst and redo.
It's about damn time!
Hitler, a non-aggression pact will not work. Don't try to squirm out of this, Hitler. Quit licking my face, Hitler.
Poland has been asking for it. It's time we blitzkrieg them!
Herr Stalin, as you may know, it is very important for my country to have control over Poland. However, resistance from your country, why won't this stupid